Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Golu Bob Lecturer. Today my coaching students perform the activity about the force and pressure. Let's see start.
Say push or pull on an object is called force. Force can change the shape, size, speed, and direction of an object. Example: kicking a ball, squeezing a sponge.
Types of force. Force is mainly of two types. First, contact force. Second, non-contact force.
Example: pushing a cycle, contact; magnet pulling pins, non-contact. Force force applied when two object touch each other. Example: riding with a pen, pushing a chair.
Force produced by muscles of our body. For example, I carry a bag and lifting a bucket.
Frictional force, that force oppose motion between surface. Example: rubbing a hand for heat, cycle, stopping with brakes.
Non-contact force. Force applied without touching the object. Example: magnet attracting earth, pulling things down.
Gravitational force. Earth pulls everything downward, also known as attraction force. Example: falling fruits, dropping a pencil.
Magnetic force, force by which a magnet attracts or repels object. For example, fridge magnet attracts sticking.
Electrostatic force. Force between charged objects. Example: paper beads sticking to a rubbed scale.
Pressure is the force applied per unit area. For example, sharp knife cut easily because it has small area.
Formula of pressure. Pressure is equal to force divided by area, and pressure is equal to force upon area. Example: broad shoes create less pressure on mud. Unit of force Newton. Unit of pressure Pascal. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Force and pressure are not only the science terms but the part of our daily life. Thank you for watching our activity.